Mediterranean salad is a flexible vegetarian salad that can easily double as a side or main dish and packed with flavor. I love this recipe because it's an easy dump and go. I'm starting off with my brown rice. Just follow the directions for your brown rice and remember to let it cool. Then I'm adding my chickpeas, tomatoes, onions, and parsley, black olives, and now you need your dressing. So go ahead and mix your lemon juice, your olive oil, and your garlic together and pour it over. Stir it together. Now add your salt and pepper. Stir it together. Refrigerate for 1 hour and enjoy.